Today, I'm delighted to take you through the fascinating world of lighting fixtures, exploring their primary classification and distinctive features. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm Marina from Zhongshan LC Lighting. We are a manufacturer with indoor regular and customized lights over 14 years, who passed the CE FCC certificate and with 10 years US market OEM experience. Firstly, let's categorize lighting fixtures based on their installation methods. Surface-mounted lights are those that are directly fixed to the walls or ceilings. They offer a sleek and modern look, perfect for contemporary interiors. For better understanding, let me take two for example. Pendant lights with these dangling or hanging designs add a touch of elegance or drama to any space. They are often used in dining areas or as focal points in living rooms. Wall sconces are mounted on wall and serve as accent lights, highlighting a specific area or artworks. Recessed lights, on the other hand, installed within the ceiling, providing a seamless and uniform illumination. They are ideal for creating a cozy and intimate atmosphere. Next, we have classification based on their application scenarios. Residential lighting, designed for home and residential spaces. Application scenarios, living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, outdoor spaces, etc. Commercial lights, tailored for commercial establishments or workplaces. Application scenario, offices, retail stores, restaurants, hotels, banks, etc. Outdoor lighting, intended for exterior spaces to enhance safety, security, and aesthetics. Application scenarios, parks, streets, parking lots, building exteriors, etc. If you are interested in I Drive Deeper in future, don't forget to like, follow, and comment below to engage with us and share with your thoughts. Can't wait to continue this conversation with you in next issue. Don't miss out. See you next time.